Okay guys, welcome to this short video. Today I'm going to teach you how to compare data when you're doing your data analysis using the if and combination. It's a very powerful formula. So let's say you want to compare the prices of sugar in the four supermarkets that I've displayed here. So on cell K5, you can come and type your formula. So is equals to if, and then open brackets, and open brackets again. Price of sugar in Tuskys is equals to price of sugar in Nakumatt, comma. Price of sugar in Tuskys is equals to price of sugar in Naivas, comma again. Price of sugar in Tuskys is equals to price of sugar at Quickmart, and then you close the bracket, and then comma. Uh, what result do you want? Uh, if the prices are the same in all the four supermarkets, you can return true. If the prices are not the same, you can return hiyo ni uongo bana, and then you close your quotation marks, and then close the brackets, and then you hit enter. So you can see now, because the prices are not the same, you get that result. If you happen to change the price of sugar in Tuskys to be 61, you get the result as true. To spice things up, to make your data look more interesting, you can use conditional formatting for the results that you get, where you can color code your responses. So in this case, if for true, we can get a green color. So highlight cells, text that contains true. You can select green. Okay. Come back again to the same conditional formatting. This one you can change the color to red. Okay. So if you change any of this, the color changes here, and your data looks more interesting. Thank you. Uh, Looking forward to the next video.